Alrighty, pretty heavy mist. It's about 4:30 Thursday afternoon. Yeah, I'm getting wet. I put arm covers on. They're really just for the sun, but it breaks down the coldness of the mist hitting you right on the skin. I don't mind if they get wet, it doesn't feel bad, but it's a lot better than the cold hitting you. I'm pushing a little harder just to keep warm. It's not that cold, about 70, but you can get pretty chilled with the wind when you're pedaling or moving and the wetness. So I'm just pedaling along. But so what, you get wet. It's not the first time, it ain't the last. Like I say, how bad you want it. The worst part is I just washed the bike on Sunday and now it's getting road grime on it. Mainly you gotta oil the chain again, keep your maintenance up, especially in the weather. Oil all the moving parts, your shifters, your gears, your chain. I've got disc brakes, so they don't get affected as bad as rim or tire brakes. That's it, roads are pretty wet. Water's pouring off my helmet and I don't even know what the lens looks like. Oh, the lens is all messed up. Hopefully that's a little better. Coming up on Carpenter's Market, and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. All right, here at Leesville, I've got my front light and my rear light going. My front one's on, and then it strobes a little, then on, strobes a little. That way it gets our attention a little more than just a constant on. But yeah, the roads are definitely wet now. But it's all good. All right, crossing over 460. I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, made a turn, kind of wide open as you can see. I got a heck of a headwind. So that adds to the rain even more with a nice headwind. Let's keep going. Woo! All right, one safety note. Keep off of painted surfaces. Also, keep off of metal. Manhole covers, cobblestones are the absolute worst. So, painted surfaces, stops lights, this white line. If you go to turn or hit your brakes, you will bust your butt. This headwind is horrible. Holy cow, this is horrible. All right, I got the green arrow. Heading down Waterlick. And now it's almost a tailwind. I don't feel any wind right now, so I'm doing the same speed as the wind. Which is good, you don't have a headwind, but you also get hot quicker. There you go, now I got a wind. All right, talk to you guys in a minute. This is Waterlick heading towards Lawyers. Here's the ball fields, if you're familiar with it. It's wet. I definitely need to get some covers for my legs, because I don't want to wear pants because the rest of me is not that cold. Just trying to keep the rain from hitting you on the cold skin. So I need to get some leg covers. And better arm covers than just sun shields. And mainly just to block the sun when you're riding. Other than that, oh, foot covers. Just keep my feet dry. are the 3 things I need. Arm, leg, and shoe covers. Time to get on it and get them. All right, guys. I'll talk to you when I get down here on Lawyers. Talk to you in a minute. That's why you got to be so careful with a bicycle. Obviously, somebody wasn't paying attention or texting while driving, and that's what happens. Alrighty, almost home. I'll talk to you guys later.